Stop wasting time in placing your decoration components in your architectural drawing. We will explore decoration tools in AutoCAD using YQArch plugin. This will save you 70 to 80% of your time. So let's begin. WC. We will place WC in this complete plan. Okay. Type here WC and you will get complete box. Let this here arrange sink. Okay. Click over the wall first line like this and go like this. This way you can arrange your sink layout. WC partition. Okay. And click over the wall, your first line. Okay. And go like this. And let this here shower room. Okay. And click over the wall first line and go like this. Let this urinal. Okay. And click over the wall line. And here it is. This way you can arrange complete WC layout very fast in AutoCAD. This will save you a lot of time. Chest plan. We will provide chest plan. Okay. Type YG and choose your thickness, your chest plan thickness. Let this 650 mm. Click first point, second, third, fourth, as much as you have. Okay. And enter. Now you see here you are getting chest plan. First point, second point, third point, and take your end point and enter. Now you see here first point, end point, and enter and choose your direction. Elevation cupboard. We will place elevation cupboard. Okay. GZE. Choose elevation. To group, 2-point draw. First point and second point. European door. First point and second point. Cupboard door. First point and second point. You want to place your interior in your kitchen area. You can place fastly drawer, first point and second point. This is the fastest way to place your kitchen cupboard elevation, as you see here. Furniture layout, one of the most powerful tool here. Okay. Double J command, living room. Okay. And take 2-point rectangle. You are getting sofa and TV set. By pressing S, you can change your sofa style. You are getting multiple options. And by pressing T, you can switch your TV set. Double J command, dining room, and take 2-point rectangle and place your table and board like this. By pressing T, you are getting option to switch your table style. You are getting multiple style here. And yes, you can keep your own furniture also as you want. If you want to learn comprehensively YQArch plugin, around 500 commands, you can check out the course link in this video description. Double J command, let this bedroom. Okay, and take 2-point rectangle. By pressing B, you are getting option to switch your bed style. Multiple blocks for your bed. Again, you can customize your own block also. Okay. And by pressing T, TV set, and by pressing C for chairs. This is okay. and let this as it is. And choose kitchen. OK. And take 2-point rectangle. By pressing S, you are getting option to switch sink. By pressing C, you are getting cooker. OK. And by pressing I, dual icebox, single icebox, and by pressing T, you can remove floor tile. Double J command, toilet. OK. And take 2-point rectangle and place your toilet furniture. Double J command, bedroom, and take 2-point rectangle and place your bed, TV set, and chair, and chest plan also. So this way you can place your furniture layout using powerful command in YQArch plugin. I hope you got this video helpful. If you want to explore YQArch plugin complete course, you can check out the link in this video description. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.